Imagine encountering a friend you haven't seen in 50 years. Would you recognize their face, their voice, their laugh? For humans, it's a testament to our remarkable memory. But deep beneath the ocean's surface, bottlenose dolphins possess an equally astonishing capacity. They navigate a vast, dynamic world, yet maintain social connections that can span decades. How do these intelligent marine mammals remember and identify individuals they've been separated from for so long? The answer lies in a fascinating acoustic signature, a unique vocal fingerprint that endures through time. Dolphins live in intricate societies, constantly forming and reforming alliances. Friendships, familial ties, and strategic partnerships are critical for hunting, protection, and learning. These relationships are not fleeting, they are the threads that weave the fabric of their existence. Unlike many other species, dolphin groups are not rigid. Individuals may leave one pod and join another, travel vast distances, or become separated for extended periods. This fluid social structure poses a unique challenge. How do they maintain a reliable contact network without constant proximity? Consider the sheer scale of the ocean. It's a three-dimensional environment with no fixed landmarks, no permanent signposts. Currents shift, visibility changes, and the sheer vastness means encounters are often unpredictable. For a dolphin to recognize another after years of separation is like finding a specific needle in an ever-moving haystack, completely blindfolded. It demands a highly sophisticated recognition system, one that transcends mere visual cues or scent, which would quickly dissipate in the aquatic medium. This challenge has long captivated scientists. To appreciate the depth of this recognition, it's important to understand the dolphin lifespan. Bottlenose dolphins, the focus of much of this research, can live for many decades, often reaching 50 years or more in the wild. This long lifespan allows for the formation of extremely enduring bonds, but it also means their memory systems must be capable of retaining individual identities over an extraordinary period. A friendship formed in youth could be rekindled in old age, a reunion made possible only by an impeccable memory for a specific individual's identity. Early research into dolphin communication revealed a complex repertoire of whistles, clicks, and burst pulses. Scientists hypothesized that some of these sounds might serve as individual identifiers, much like names do for humans. But which ones? And how stable were they? The challenge was to isolate a sound that was truly unique to each dolphin and that remained consistent over long periods, regardless of the dolphin's emotional state or immediate activity. This pursuit led researchers to focus on a particular type of whistle. The breakthrough came with the identification of what scientists now call the signature whistle. Each bottlenose dolphin develops its own distinctive signature whistle, a unique sound pattern that acts as its personal acoustic tag. It's akin to a vocal name that they use to announce their presence or to call to specific individuals. This whistle is learned and refined in the early years of a dolphin's life and remains remarkably consistent throughout its entire life, making it the perfect candidate for long-term recognition. Pioneering work by researchers like Dr. Stephanie King has been instrumental in uncovering the power of these signature whistles. Her studies, particularly those conducted on dolphins in facilities where their histories were known, provided crucial insights. By observing and recording individual dolphins over many years, scientists could track the consistency of these whistles and begin to formulate experiments to test their role in long-term social memory. This meticulous work laid the foundation for understanding one of the ocean's most incredible social phenomena. To rigorously test the long-term recognition capabilities, Dr. King and her colleagues devised a clever playback experiment. They needed dolphins with known social histories, individuals who had been separated for significant periods but were once closely associated. The idea was to play the signature whistle of a long-absent former associate to a resident dolphin and observe their reaction. Would they show signs of recognition, or would the sound be treated as that of a stranger? The setup had to be carefully controlled to ensure accurate data. One of the most compelling examples came from a study involving two male bottlenose dolphins named Ali and Bailey. These two had been close companions many years ago, sharing a facility before Bailey was moved to another location. At the time of the experiment, Allie and Bailey had been separated for over 20 years. This presented an ideal opportunity to test the endurance of signature whistle recognition. Allie had not seen Bailey, nor heard his whistle, in 2 full decades. During the experiment, Allie was in his enclosure when researchers played a recording of Bailey's signature whistle through an underwater speaker. Crucially, they also played whistles from unfamiliar dolphins as a control. The researchers carefully monitored Allie's behavior, his approach to the speaker, his vocal responses, and general attentiveness. If Allie remembered Bailey, the expectation was a stronger, more engaged reaction to his specific signature whistle compared to the unknown calls. The results were immediate and striking. When Allie heard Bailey's signature whistle, he didn't just casually swim by. He immediately approached the underwater speaker, listened intently, and even responded by whistling back. This contrasted sharply with his reaction to the unknown whistles, which elicited little to no special attention. Allie's response was a clear demonstration of recognition, a powerful signal that he not only remembered Bailey, but also remembered the specific sound that identified him, even after 2 decades of separation. This was an unprecedented finding in the realm of animal long-term memory. The study's findings indicate that dolphins possess the longest memory for social recognition ever documented in a non-human animal. To recognize a friend after more than 20 years is astounding. This capacity highlights the stability of the signature whistle itself and the incredible neural mechanisms within the dolphin brain that allow for such robust and enduring auditory recall. This isn't just a fleeting memory, it's a deeply ingrained identifier, essential for their social fabric. What makes the signature whistle so resilient to the passage of time? Unlike human voices, which can change with age, or visual appearances, which can be obscured, the core structure of a dolphin's signature whistle appears to remain largely unaltered throughout their adult lives. It's a highly stereotyped, individually specific acoustic pattern that serves as a constant and reliable marker of identity. This stability is precisely what enables it to function as a lifelong name or badge of identification, unaffected by physical separation. The ability to recognize long-lost friends has profound implications for dolphins' social dynamics. It means that when individuals reunite, they don't have to re-establish their relationship from scratch. The existing social bond, including its history and hierarchy, can be instantly re-engaged. This acoustic memory helps maintain group cohesion, facilitates cooperation, and may even play a role in avoiding conflict between previously acquainted individuals. It's a sophisticated system for managing a complex and ever-changing social network. While many animals recognize kin, the dolphin's use of signature whistles extends far beyond immediate family. This research indicates they recognize non-kin associates over decades. This suggests a highly strategic and adaptable social intelligence. Remembering friends, even distant ones, could be crucial for forming large alliances, sharing information about food sources, or navigating dangerous territories. It's not just about finding family, it's about remembering who you can trust, who you've collaborated with, and who you might need in the future. This discovery offers a fascinating parallel to human social cognition. Just as we use names and remember voices to maintain our complex social worlds, dolphins employ their signature whistles. It speaks to a deep, underlying principle of intelligence, the need to identify and categorize individuals for effective social interaction. The fact that dolphins, an entirely different species in a completely different environment, have arrived at such a sophisticated solution underscores the power of social bonds and the cognitive abilities required to sustain them. Understanding how dolphins recognize friends after decades apart is just one piece of the puzzle of their complex minds. This research opens new avenues for exploring their communication, culture, and cognitive capabilities. It prompts us to consider what other secrets their signature whistles hold. Perhaps they convey emotions, status, or even intentions. Each discovery brings us closer to appreciating the rich inner lives of these magnificent marine beings and the incredible tapestry of intelligence that thrives in our oceans. The world of a dolphin is a world of sound. Their eyes may survey the immediate surroundings, but their ears perceive an entire social landscape, echoing with the unique calls of friends, family, and rivals. The signature whistle is not merely a sound, it is an identity, a persistent reminder of who they are and who they know, enduring through the vastness of time and ocean. It's a testament to the profound and lasting nature of friendship, even in the most unexpected corners of our planet.